going to be a review of one more IR light I made, flashlight, and it's a lot smaller than my other two. And it has 16 of the 5mm Osram 860 nanometer 3-degree infrared LEDs. Let's see. I think that's all I need on that now. Let's see. They have, well, they're 100 milliamp and 1.5 volt forward voltage. Anyway, there's 16 of them in a 1-inch square. I'll put it in there, and I don't know if you can see in there, but in there is the mini DC step down what is it called? 2596. It's a little step down board. Let me see, because I can't tell if that's seeing it, but I have to show it. It's that little step down board that looks like that. There's a bad glare right there, but anyway, that's what is driving it. And it's got it's gonna have this battery, which is 7.2 volts, 800 milliamp, because it's two of the cordless phone batteries. It's 3.6 volt, 800 milliamp. So I'm guessing that's 7.2 volts, 800 milliamps. Anyway, that's gonna be the power for it, and it's rechargeable, so then that'll plug in to this little plug here, and it goes down in there. Get it all put together again. I had to charge that battery because it wasn't really charged up when I got it. I don't know how charged up exactly it is right now. I hope I don't short something out. It's kind of hard to stick it all back in there. It'll go in. I had it in there before, but it's how it works. It goes in there though. Let's see. As soon as it goes far enough to get that back on. It's got an on-off switch on the back. And the whole thing is like it's about 5 5/16 inches long, I guess. Then I made it where I can hook my IR camera right onto it. And before see what that's gonna do, the only other thing I wanted to show was this. Is what I found out. If I can get where it'll see all of that. That well, it's kind of hard. But that's the LED diode polarity. And what I found out was okay, on a normal visible light LED, the polarity's like up here. And your cathode's negative in and your anode's positive. But oh, there's the diode symbol, and the polarities. That's visible polarity goes the direction that it is up there. But the infrared, it turns out, is backwards. So when you hook up on these small LEDs, you got to, looks like I hold that paper right. You got to hook it up the opposite, as you can see on there. I wish I could hold that steady where it would show it right. But see, on your long leg normally would be positive, your short leg would be negative, but in infrared your long leg is negative in, your short leg is positive. Anyway, I didn't really see that on the Google images, so I wanted to draw that up and show that. It may be on there somewhere, but I just ran across that and thought it was kind of weird. Anyway, that's it for that part. I forgot to say two things that I got to add on there. Is one is these lights, I didn't say how I wired them, and they're in these 4 rows vertical. They're wired 4 rows in series, 4 lights in series, and in 4 rows of that, and they're all in parallel with each other. And so the 2596 is set for 6 volts out, and so that the whole array pulls 6 volts at 400 milliamps. That's what I forgot a while ago I meant to say. And the only other thing is I'm going to compare it to the 850 flashlight. So, okay, that's it. Okay, as you can see right now, it's totally pitch dark in my room, and I'm going to turn on my IR 850, the long flashlight, and compare it first. Use it for comparison. Alright, let's see. Okay, there's it shining across. That's about 12 feet away onto a desk over there. Alright, that's what it looks like. Okay, now for the mini light that's on the camera, and there's what it looks like looking at that desk over there and around. You know, it's about 12 feet away at that corner over there, but it's pretty good. Let's see, I'll turn on both of them. Alright, on the left is the mini light, and on the right is the 850 flashlight. And that's in my room. Okay, this is going to be 20 feet with the long 850 flashlight outside my house. That's it at 20 feet. Alright, let's see. This is going to be the little camera light at 20 feet. Ain't a whole lot different. See, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. That's it at 30 feet. And I can see the house. Alright. This is the long 850 flashlight. 30 feet. And it's pretty good. I can see the house, but not quite as good. Okay. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. I'm going to try 40 feet. And that's it at 40 feet. I can see the house a little bit, but you can see that reflection off that tinfoil good. Alright. That's the little camera light Now it's the long 850 flashlight. It's kind of the same deal, except I can't really see it on the house. I can see it on the tinfoil, so it's a little bit better. Now this is 45 feet, and I can, well, that's about it. That's as far as it goes. I don't really see the house. You can see the tinfoil. So that's about the range on it. Well, unfortunately, I found that on this light, I guess I went the wrong way with the cell phone batteries, the cordless phone batteries. They don't seem to want to hold the charge long at all. I thought it would hold for a little while because it was 800 milliamps, but it already went down. I don't know if maybe I never did get it charged up all the way. It looked like it was, but it didn't last but about 5 or 10 minutes, maybe 10 minutes at the most, and that was it. Alright, that's all there is to that, I guess.